Going to be answering NECO 2019 Commerce Objective Past Question 18. Which of the following ensures that the quality of a product is maintained? A. Chamber of Commerce. B. Food and Drugs Act. C. Price Control Board. D. Standards Organization. E. Weight and Measures Act. So we have some agencies and laws here and acts. So which of them ensures that the quality of a product is maintained? Now option A, which is Chamber of Commerce, is tasked with protecting and promoting the interests of its members, and its members are usually business owners and industries. Now the Food and Drugs Act is an act that regulates the manufacture and sales of food and drugs. The Price Control Board is set to control minimum and maximum prices of goods. The Standards Organization is tasked with making sure that products are manufactured to a set quality. And lastly, the Weights and Measures Act is just for provision of weighing and measuring standards. Now, from the explanations we have given, we see that option D, which is the Standards Organization, is tasked with making sure that products are manufactured to a set or specific quality. Therefore, the correct answer is option D, which is Standards Organization. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers. Thank you.